fast car, it does the talking for you. And you pull up loud, well, that gets everybody's attention. GasMonkeyGarage.com right now is your chance to win this brand new Dodge Durango Hellcat SRT with 710 horsepower sitting in your driveway and ready for your next adventure.
All right, guys, we're locking up. Got everything back loaded. We are headed to Melissa to the Hot Wheels Legends Tour, and we're gonna go take the F6 and let everybody check it out, and hopefully we get a Hot Wheel made out of it. Guys, we're here at the Walmart. Oh, look, the blimp. Hurry. That's crazy. Not as crazy as F6 being here. Let's go. You can tell.
We literally just got it back like 2 months ago, so we've had to do a lot of work to it.
It's so cool.
Thanks.
So this one is is this a Chevy?
Yep.
Okay. GMC?
Yep.
Ulysses is a Dodge, and it's the big one. It's so long, dude.
Yeah, and we've seen it because it was there when we brought Jaws to him.
No kidding. Okay.
Yeah, to get it refurbished.
I didn't realize until we got Ulysses that van culture is very serious.
Yeah.
Like they don't play.
Are. Yeah. And the thing for us, the sentimental, is we're from Massachusetts, where the movie was filmed.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah. So,
very cool.
Yeah.
Well, there you go, dude. Let's look. This is like Ulysses' stepbrother, or brother, or however we want to say it. So let's look at it real quick, dude. Jaws, look at it.
What's the
you
name
can
of it?
tell Jaws. It's Jaws. So look, you can tell it's the same dude. Look at the step. It's all wood, and then that bottom blue line, it looks like a Ulysses line. Oh yeah, look at that. That is so cool.
So we added the whole sunset.
Quint's, he's drinking beer on the
I got it. Look at that, dude. He's so skilled. It's so cool.
So we added the Orca. We had him add the Orca.
Okay.
We had him add the sunset, because this side had really nothing to it.
Yeah.
We redid the Jaws.
Yeah.
We redid this. So this is supposed to be me. But we made a meaner Jaws.
That's awesome.
And then if the sun hits it right, we've got the diamond in the Jaws, like on Ulysses.
That's so cool.
And then we added the lighthouse in the back.
Oh.
So he ran out of time. There was ultimately more things we wanted, a few little things, details, but yeah.
All right, guys, you gotta let us know. Do we need to get these together and get some photos done? Look who's here. What's up, guys?
I missed
People
you.
don't even know you anymore. Get out of there. What are you talking about? They don't know you.
I missed you. Come here. I missed you guys.
Nothing cooler than cruising into a Walmart. Believe we're in Melissa, Texas. Brand new Walmart. It's the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Pretty badass. This is hell of a turnout. There's people parking a mile away. But I cheated, came in the exit.
Special privilege. I just barely saw the coloring. I was like, they bring Ulysses? That's Ulysses' brother. We've been waiting on you. That guy painted that. Those people want to come to the shop and bring it and take pictures with Ulysses. That guy did that car. They did both of them, yeah.
I'm Troy Castro. I'm a designer for Hot Wheels in El Segundo, California. and super stoked to be here in Dallas and see all your fantastic builds today. And again, y'all made it super tough out here today.
Yeah, you did.
But we did have to pick a winner, and we have settled on. Winner, Dallas Hot Wheels Legends Tour 2026, Jason Anderson and his 1961 Willys.
So I have a 1961 Willys that me and my dad started building when I was, well, it's been 7 years now to build. I lost him in December, so this is in honor of him.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jason. Congrats, man.
All right, guys, so that's it for the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. You always know where Chase is. We didn't win, but you know what? I think we got top 5 is what they were saying. And the car that won is actually so freaking cool. The guy was really nice, so really pumped that he got it. But now it's about 1 o'clock. We're in a Walmart parking lot. It's hot as hell. I'm ready to get back to the shop, so let's go.
All right, before we go any further in the video, this episode is being brought to you by, well, me. That's right, Gas Monkey Garage. We're talking about what's going on right now. And what's happening is Sturgis. That's right, every August comes around the Black Hills Rally. I'm gonna be up there partying, having a good time. But what's really cool is I got with my friends at Harley Davidson and got this new Lowrider S. We tricked it out because it's the 250th anniversary of America, so a little red, white, and blue. And I am giving it away to one lucky person on Thursday, August the 13th at Sturgis. Now, you don't have to be present to win, but it'd be really cool if you were. So go to gasmonkeygarage.com right now. Every dollar you spend is an entry to win. And that's not only the Dodge Durango Hellcat that we're giving away, but also this badass brand new 2026 Lowrider S from Harley Davidson. So get yourself some entries. Go to gasmonkeygarage.com. Thursday, August 13th. I'm giving it away live at Gas Monkey Sturgis. And if you come by, make sure you say hi. Every dollar you spend there or at any of my bars is gonna get you entered to win. This is a badass bike customized by Gas Monkey Garage, and it can be yours in just about a week or so. So get you some of that, gasmonkeygarage.com. Now back to the regular scheduled program. So it's a beautiful day here in Deadwood, South Dakota. I came in for 2 things. I needed to check on my barn Sturgis, but also my friends over at Harley Davidson asked me if I'd take part in testing out a new bike, maybe doing some riding on it, and then they're gonna release it later on in the year. So right now, I'm fixing to go have some fun on a motorcycle, so get you some of that. So here we are, shooting for Harley Davidson with their new Deadwood Softail. And gonna talk about the bike a little bit, check it out. It's black, great in my book already. Check out this freaking kick-ass t-shirt they gave me. It's America's 250th anniversary, 100th anniversary of the Route 66, and I got an eagle and Harley Davidson on my shirt. Fucking America, man. Look at this. All these microphones set up, everybody can talk to each other. Got some crafty, got some pop, some water. It's like a real production. Nothing like that shit I did for, yeah, well, never mind. And today, my friends at Harley Davidson are doing something special.
You make that your own.
This is right.
You make that your own.
New Harley Davidson, 2026 Harley Davidson.
And right there's kind of the sweet. Bike's in position, lights looking good. You're gonna be right behind the bike, kind of right by the seat.
We're about ready to roll sound.
Blurred out.
I'm Richard Rawlings from Gas Monkey Garage, and today my friends at Harley Davidson are doing something pretty special. And this is it, the 2026 Harley Davidson Deadwood. Let's check it out. The all-new Deadwood brings a new personality to the Harley Davidson Cruiser lineup. It's the new black sheep of the Black Hills.
Easy. Cool. That's perfect. Do a wide. Do one more wide. It's tight. That was tight, yeah. You got one more. We're going to go wide framing exactly like you just did.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Got it. The all-new 2026 Harley Davidson Deadwood takes that spirit and drips it all the way and back. Gotcha. Drips it,
drapes it in
Drapes it.
Drapes it in black.
Drapes it in black.
From front to back.
Gotcha. So check it out, guys. We just finished out with the 2026 Harley Davidson Deadwood. This thing is really pretty radical as far as I'm concerned. It's got the lowest seat height that they have in the whole lineup. It's still a cruiser, but it looks mean. It's got a chopped windshield, all blacked out front to back. And I tell you what, this bike is gonna be really, really popular. I'm pretty excited. I might have to get myself one. Here we go.
All right, so what are we going to get?
We're going to Maverick Harley Davidson up here.
Okay.
And get a brand new Lowrider S. And if we have time, I want to trick it out and give it away at Sturgis this year.
Oh, no shit.
Yep.
So is this the one you went up and rode in Sturgis? Or is that bike still not out yet?
That bike's not out yet. Okay. It's called the Harley Davidson Deadwood. What we're going to get is a brand new 2026 Lowrider S.
Okay.
Which is kind of reminiscent of the old FXRs.
Uh-huh.
And it's just a good all-around bike.
Yeah.
I think we Star Spangled Banner it up and show it off for the American 250 and maybe get it out on Route 66, but then also give it away at Sturgis.
Star Spangled Banner, are you talking about painting it or wrapping it?
Painting it.
Hell yeah. So you mean like actually give it away at Sturgis, not just have the giveaway?
Nope.
Wow.
Give it away at Sturgis.
That would be cool, dude.
So as soon as we get it back to the shop and we announce, they'll be able to win right now anything they do at any of the Gas Monkey stores or restaurants or online. Gets them some entries, but if they buy the Sturgis shirts, there's some multipliers on there. It gets them 4 entries.
Wow. So that means if you enter right now, literally when this video comes out, you can already get entries to win this bike.
That's right. It's happening now. Right now we're in the past, but we're talking to future selves, and this is actually going on. So GasMonkeyGarage.com right now, giving away a Durango Hellcat and a brand new Harley Davidson. Are we in the past or the future? I forgot.
I think we're still in the yep.
Is it happening?
I don't know. You got me.
All right. What's up, Pedro?
Hey, what's going on, Richard? How you doing, bud?
Doing good, man. Kevin said you're going to take care of me.
Yes, sir. Here to pick up your new bike.
Well, it's only mine for a minute because we're going to give this away at Sturgis this year. So we're going to take this back. I think we're going to put some Americana on it because it's 250th anniversary, and then give it away.
Nice.
Hopefully we can pack the house enough that the winner doesn't have to be present to win, but it'd be cool if they were there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
So
saw
what's the
last
deal?
year.
What's the deal with the new? This is a new setup, or?
Yeah. So they went back to a chrome. They didn't have chrome before, so
Okay.
they have a chrome package on it now. It's got the high performance, high output motor on it with the 3 different riding stages on it, and it's the first one we received with the chrome package on it.
Well, you know me, I like to be first.
Yep.
Good looking bike.
Yeah. I do dig it.
I'm anxious to see what you do with it. I've seen a couple of other ones.
Well, we're not going to get too crazy custom just because it's still under warranty and all that.
Sure.
So if the winner can still have it, you know, serviced and all that kind of stuff. So I think just a little something Americana on the paint job and
Yep.
maybe a couple of doodads. Feels good. FXLRS.
All the letters.
So don't forget right now, if you're watching this, you can go to GasMonkeyGarage.com and win this brand new Lowrider S, courtesy of my friends over at Harley Davidson and at Maverick Harley here in Dallas. And then we're going to customize it and make it pretty trick. So if you want in on this, GasMonkeyGarage.com. We're going to give it away live in Sturgis in the month of August. So if you want to be there, you can, but you don't have to be there to win. Wow, this is kick-ass. I wish somebody would have gave me a new bike when I was younger.
I actually like the chrome. I mean, if you think about Harley and the heritage of Harley, it is black and chrome, right? So that's literally what people even say, black and chrome. So I like it, man. I like it. It's kind of going back to the roots of where it all started, you know, so super, super cool. I can't wait to see what kind of graphics we put on here for America 250, and also can't wait to see the dude's face or lady's face that wins this thing in Sturgis. So sick, bro. Oh yeah, no, it's a big tank. Cool fender. There's a lot that can go on here. A little fairing. So, but I don't even get to ride it. Rich is riding it back. I do get to drive the TRX, so it's still a win.